Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricia, and in today's video I'm sharing how I transformed this bar cabinet for a client a few months back. This piece has been in her family for generations, and I was really excited to make her vision for it become a reality. Let's get into the video. This cabinet has been passed down to her from her great-grandmother and was made by a company called Ferguson. At some point, this piece was partially painted and not very well done. There was a lot of chipping paint and nicks throughout the piece. I tried convincing her to restore the entire unit in the natural mahogany. She wanted to use the color Dignity Blue from Sherwin-Williams. This was an accent color in her newly renovated kitchen. Although it's nice to restore the history and intention of the original manufacturer, and I love doing that, I more so agree that what you do should make you happy and fit into your personal style and taste. I did, however, convince her to somewhat restore the top. I'm going to refinish the color of the wood to a grayish undertone. That combo with the blue fits perfectly into the design and decor of her home. As usual, I got started with the prep. I completely took it apart. After removing the hardware, I removed the doors and the glass racks on the sides. Once I started cleaning, I discovered the top actually opens. Not sure what the purpose of it is, but I had no idea. Even putting this in my car and bringing it home, I hadn't even noticed it did that. Anyways, I went ahead, sanded off the finish on the top, and scuff sanded the entire unit. For the edges, I used some stripper and a nylon brush. Then I cleaned it all up with some afterwash. Even though I hadn't planned for this surprise compartment, I went ahead and detached the top and did the same on the underside and around the trim since those areas were wood. I'm using Valspar cabinet and furniture paint all in rich enamel. This paint claims there's no need to sand or prime. I still sand it to help with adhesion, and I'm using my Wagner Flexio sprayer. We discussed possibly changing out the hardware, but we both agreed keeping the original hardware refinished in brass worked best. I left the first coat to dry for about 48 hours, did a light sanding, and then applied another coat. It's now time to play with some stain. I'm experimenting on the underside of the top and doing a whitewash in various steps, just to eliminate some of the red in the wood. And then once that's dried, I'm applying a stain over it. Links to all the materials used in this video are in the description below. I sent the samples over to her and went ahead with the one she liked. I completed the finish on the underside and the top along with the side and inside of the drawer. After reinstalling the hardware in the doors, I applied about 4 coats of Minwax polyacrylic with at least 12 to 24 hours between each coat. Here's the old bar cabinet, and here it is now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this bar cabinet be transformed as much as I enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next Friday. Bye.